Hi, students. Hi, candidates. Welcome to CDA support. I am your instructor today. Today, we're talking about where are you going to conduct your observation visit. So for this week 2 question about your early childhood education observation settings, this is where you get to do like a practicum, which means you can use your job or you can use volunteer work to go into an early childhood setting as many times as you want a week. There's no specific hours that you have to complete. You just have to be able to go there once a week. Okay. Saying that if you cannot locate an early childhood daycare or GSRP center that you can do your practicum in or your observation visits in, you can just use your classes. So each week through your simulations, you can do a drop-off observation. Just watch the child that's being dropped off. You can do journaling observation. These are different titles that you can observe because there's specific things that you're going to write about. So I want you to focus on one of these interactions with boys and girls. So there's journaling. Okay, so there's drop off, there's journaling, there's diapering, there's feeding, there's gross motor skills. You can observe nap time. You can observe the fine motor and sensory play. You can observe the language development. You can observe the outdoor play or the pickup. Please pick one. All you need to do is pick one. And within that one, observe that and write about it. Okay, because this is what I'm looking for in order to give you all the points that you deserve. Okay, so make sure that you're reading the directions for your reflection because that is what you should be writing about. Describe your viewpoint on handling record keeping. So if I did diapering, I just watched the diapering observation. I'm going to describe how I view they should do record keeping or how they completed record keeping during diapering or the drop off, the ethical issues that I might have noticed, exceptional children. How can this drop off be inclusive for children that have exceptional children? Or children who have diversity. And then you're going to talk about your compliance, the compliance with the state and federal standards. So when they were diapering the children, did they follow the guidelines for the diaper procedure for the state and federal standards, which means the sanitizing solution? Did they wash hands properly? All that stuff. So that's why I say focus on one activity because you're going to write about all these things in that specific activity. All of those things that you talk about in your reflection on one specific activity. Okay, I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next video.